Hi, I'm Mojtaba Fallah, and this is a submission video recorded for CS50 Project 1 from CS50 course for Python and Django. When visiting /wiki/title, where title is the title of an encyclopedia entry, when the user clicks on any of the entries in the list, he is taken to /wiki/title, where he can see the contents of the page. For example, let's click on Django. You can see the related page, and if I type it here, /wiki /Django, again the result is the same. Now here you have a markdown here. For example, for Node.js, it's a markdown. And here in the view section, I created some functions. These functions convert the markdown into content HTML, which I'll show you now. It's here. The result is that when you can see that the content which was initially marked down is now converted to content. If I enter an entry that doesn't exist, like Apple, let's do it now and see what happens. The user is presented with a custom error page indicating that their requested page was not found. If the entry does exist, the user is presented with a page that displays the content of the entry. The title of the page includes the same name of the entry, which I'll do now to show you again what I'm trying to convey now. Yeah. So for the search bar, if the user types a query and it matches the name of an encyclopedia entry, the user is redirected to that entry's page. For example, if I type art, you can see that here is the related page. If the query does not match the name of an encyclopedia entry, the user is instead taken to a search results page that displays a list of all encyclopedia entries that have the query as a substring. For example, if the search query were acts, which I'll type in now, the results appear in the search results. You can see that both of the links are clickable and are related to what the user initially typed. Clicking on any of the entry names will take you to the related page. Now, for creating a new page, the user first should click on this one and goes here. For example, we want to create a new section. The title is AI, and I want to also do this watermark, which you can see. Sorry, markdown is converted to this markdown, and I click save, and you can see that the new page is created. Now, if the encyclopedia entry is saved to this, the user is taken to the new entries page. When the page is saved, if an encyclopedia entry already exists with the provided title, the user is presented with an error message, which we can test now. For example, if I type AI and just paste the exact same thing, you can see that there is an error here. It says this one is already in the list. I can do it even with another one. For example, if I type in this one, this markdown, you can see that again the error appears. Now, the user created a new page and he wants to edit it, which is also a piece of cake. He goes, clicks on the page, and here he can see the edit it. And when he's taken to the related page, you can see that the text area is pre-populated with the initial value or content that the user um, uh, entered. And when I make some changes and click Save Update, you can see that the changes also will be applied here. Once this entry is saved, the user is redirected back to that entries page. And for random page, which is also very easy, the user clicks on random page and he's taken to any of the pages which was in the home page. And that was pretty much it. Thanks for your time, and I hope you liked it, and goodbye.